Kyrshanbor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasils District uba Vivex Em Uloong baki dak Mong ki badan ha kamet jong Heprit Kyrshanbor kharmudai bahnyos nem ka karta kila bande ki dak Mong ki baladon lupa lani kila bande ki dak Mong ki balale ya ka postmortem Uloong halor kanie ngidang up ya ka Kaiphod bat onsala ban bishar Bniah Habakran chikala Batai kobor West Uloong baya kabamenta ki kanhon SIT kidang wat Bniah halor ki badon ktiban Bniah pi Heprit Kyrshanbor ula bendrap da kabaong baban shim ya kajing im ki khallung khna kamlong ka basuk ban chu tharai hindrei kala bande ka jing thumu basha pan bam da ka pisa ban Bniah lani ka de ka basule da kabor Shu Uloong bakalong ka badon kambha ban tip Bniah ashwa baka e ka jing thumu ban Bniah yaw new Heprit Kyrshanbor
See, there are injuries and all that. Some could be antemortems and some could be postmortem injuries and all that. Usually if the body is exposed for a long time, then you can have postmortem injuries, also means after death injuries from the various elements of nature. So we are waiting for a postmortem report to actually ascertain what type of injuries were antemortem, maybe if there are postmortem injuries also. So from the postmortem report, we will get a clearer picture of how he died.
So any suspect identified so far?
See, as of now, the spectrum of suspects is wide. As SIT progresses and all that, we will be able to narrow further. Since it is a child out here, and where the motive to kill a child is very difficult to establish. It either could be for ransom, which has not come about. It could be for sexual assault, for which the inquest has not indicated of any sexual assault, or we'll confirm that from the post-mortem. And if there's none of these motives, then we have to look for other motives. So it's very important to first establish what is the motive for killing the 7-year-old child.
So as a law enforcement officer, how would you debunk these rumors and speculation revolving around the mention of him?
See, we have seen so many cases, at least for about 2 decades we have seen most of these mentioners actually are not true actually. They all, because with enmity or jealousy and all mentioners. This apprehension has always been there since it's in the folklore of the community. Usually when we get to the truth or we get to the people who are involved in it, it is not because of that they want to drain out blood from a victim. It's usually vendetta, usually for ransom, it is usually for some reason, but I have never come across a case, at least in my service career, that person being drained out of blood because he's a mentioner. I rule out, in fact, we've had so many cases of super mentioner, especially in the villages and all that. And when we actually investigated the root causes different of this.